Hello everyone, my name is Jeffrey and I'm a graphic designer at Slider, and today I'll be showing you how to quickly hide a slide to save yourself some time instead of deleting it from your entire presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and create a couple of slides just to show you an example, and I'm going to select all of these and then set the layout to blank, and then let's say you have some element that's right there, another element that is right here, and then maybe you have one final element that's at the very bottom of the footer. I don't know what you're making, but it's pretty cool. And then I'm just gonna add some text here. Okay, and then I'm going to change it to my favorite typeface, and then make it a little bigger. Okay. So this is very helpful if you have something you're trying to get rid of, and if you don't have a lot of time to do it, and let's say you have about like 5 minutes left and you're about to go up and you don't want to figure out what you need to delete, or you don't have as much time even when you're presenting, just select the slide here on this panel right here and right click and then go to skip slide, and then you'll see this icon that shows up. It says skipped when presenting. So that means that this slide will be skipped, so it will go like this, and then it'll go like this. So if you had, let's see, if you had like 4 of these, instead of wasting your time, maybe this is an intro one or something. So you don't really want to say it because you want to go and get right to your main objective. You can go and just hide these, and then when you view your presentation, that's the first slide and that's the last slide. So as you can see, you're able to hide all of these really quickly. It's very easy to take them back. Just turn it off, just like that. You can bring them right back. So like I said before, make sure you select all the slides that you need to skip. Skip them like that. Make sure the icon shows up, and when you go on them, the top right here, you can skip it. So that's the quick tip for today. As always, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video if you found it helpful, and check out slider.com for themes and more Google slide tips. Thanks.